New at 6, navigating tenants' rights during this coronavirus pandemic. Do tenants have the rights to know if someone in their building tested positive? Can landlords demand an infected person tell them? KPIX5's Da Lin live in Emeryville with some of those answers. Da?
Well, Ken, some landlords are starting to email tenants, even posting signs in lobbies asking tenants, hey, let me know if you are tested positive. Now, existing laws say that's a big no-no. Landlords cannot ask tenants about medical conditions. The big question now is, do those existing laws still apply to a brand new virus that has changed how we conduct business?
I go back and forth on that, personal privacy and also just proactive measures.
Privacy or public safety? California laws don't allow landlords to ask tenants about medical conditions.
It should be an individual choice whether to tell the other tenants in the building.
I would want a level of privacy because this is the ultimate catch-22. You're going to be discriminated against. You're going to catch some funny looks because people are scared of what they don't know. But how far is your privacy supposed to go, and how far does this safety of others start to incorporate where your privacy runs out?
Most people tell me if tested positive, they would by choice alert the landlord and neighbors in nearby units. That would at least urge the landlord to hire people to deep clean the common areas.
If you're it's not just a game of tag anymore, it's a game of life. And they have a right to know that the threat is very close. I would say that.
I have pre-existing conditions and I have a compromised immune system, so I'm extra careful.
Many real estate attorneys say if an infected tenant volunteers that information, the landlord should inform others in the building without releasing the person's name and apartment number.
I have to do that in a manner that doesn't cause panic and that doesn't create greater risk than is necessary. Those type of issues are very, very tricky, and we are in uncharted territory. It's new for us.
Existing laws say even if a landlord knows of an infection, the landlord does not have to disclose that information to other tenants in the building. There's what's legal and then there's what's ethical. It's ultimately up to the landlord to decide to do the right thing or what's the right thing to do. Live in Emeryville, I'm Da Lin, KPIX5.